everyone, Michelle Fixit. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of a cordless pressure washer. I have regular pressure washers, but sometimes I am in the vicinity of an area that does not have hookups to be able to properly utilize that. So, Charlie, come here, buddy. So I decided to purchase this. It's not a sponsored video. I saw somebody use something similar to this on TikTok, and it was such a really good commercial of sorts, where they basically had the high pressure, it's a pressure washer, cordless pressure washer, and he was in the bathroom. He's like, hey, have you ever wanted to pressure wash your bathroom? And he pulls this thing out, and then it basically has it where instead of having a hose hookup, you just throw the hose that comes with this into a body of water, and then that becomes your water source. He used a toilet, which of course got a lot of views. I am not going to be doing that. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, and then I will do another video of washing the car with it, and we'll see how it goes. Charlie, come here, buddy. And my son is out here, so you're going to see him running back and forth.
Where's Sissy?
Sissy went over to the neighbor's house. She's coming back. So let's open it up and see if we like it. And hopefully I do like it, because my window for return closed because I've been too busy. So this one is a 20 volt high pressure washer. Move it down here. I don't edit my videos, so you guys just get what you get. So first off, my son thinks it's a toy, like a toy gun. So he's already stolen it. It comes with different attachments. Comes with instructions. My son has already taken the part that is the sprayer. Can I have the sprayer, please, buddy? No, these are mommy's pieces. These are mommy's pieces. Can I have that? And I bought this one in particular because I believe it had 2 batteries, so this is one of the batteries. It would be great if this battery works with my other batteries. I don't know, that's to be determined. I'll figure that out. So I have a lot of cordless products that I use. So 2 batteries. Charlie, come here, buddy. And then we have the charger. Charlie has a bucket. I guess he wants to participate. This is the hose that I was talking about. So this part of the hose has a float. I see, buddy. And the float is movable. So you can put it into a bucket with soapy water, whatever you want to do. Yes, bubbles would be great for you to do, buddy. And then we have different accessory pieces. This is going to be the one where if you want to put soap in to be able to do car washes, which is the primary reason I wanted to do it, because I do not like it when my vehicles are dirty, and because I'm so busy, most of my vehicles are dirty. I don't know how the quality control is going to be. Blow the bubbles. Okay. Well, buddy, your bubble stuff is bad bubble stuff. Oh, there we go. Here. Okay, let me see. Sorry. Children come first. Does that work? Yes, it does. So we're going to put this in like this. We're going to dip this here. Okay, hold on, buddy. Mommy's going to make that a little bit better, because Mommy was going to do an unboxing video with this soap. And instead, hold on, buddy. Hold on. Mommy's going to make your soap better. No, buddy. Oh, man.
Oh dear.
Yes, oh dear. Alright. Okay, hold on. We're losing our audience as we make your bubble stuff better. Yes, buddy. Hold on. Let's see. Okay, so now you have a bubble. So at least you have a bubble, which is better than the no bubbles you had. And you do this. There you go. So now you can make bubbles. There you go, Charlie. Dip it and make bubbles. Alright, so Charlie is now preoccupied again. So, I don't know what this is. I think it's an attachment. We're going to look at our instructions really quick. Charlie, can I have that, please? Charlie, can I have this right here? Nope, that right there. Give that to Mommy. No. Can I have it? Yes, thank you. It's actually pretty lightweight, so I'm pretty happy with that. And it does seem to have like a lock on it, so I'm happy with that as well. Let's put this bad boy together and give it a shot really quick. So it does come with a 0 up faucet one, 40 degree, 25 degree, and 15 degree tip. According to this. Oh, it's a spinner. So that's fantastic. So we have 0, we have up, we have spray, we have 40 degree, 25, 15, and 0.
I want chocolate.
You want what?
I want chocolate. I don't want chocolate.
I don't understand, buddy.
That's chocolate.
Oh, a shovel? I don't know where your shovel is, bud.
Oh, I see over there.
So it seems like we're supposed to just push it. Okay, so we're gonna push. If you push and then pull, it works really well. Charlie, Charlie, Charlie. There's my baby.
Oh, hello.
Hello. One of our neighbors came over. So you can use that one. Charlie, come here. You are not allowed to go over there. Come back. Charlie, come back, bud. And so we have the different attachments. You're okay right there. Mommy can see you. My son. Boys are so much different than girls. Alright. So we have that one. Charlie, come here, dude. He's getting right outside of my view. Which means I have to go get him. So, I will be back. Okay, so we're back. Charlie found a very big rock, and he's very excited about it. Okay, so we have this attachment for our pressure washer wand. I'm going to take this off of here. Charlie, come here, buddy. And then we have this pressure washer wand, which I believe is an extension. Put that one in, so now you have a very long wand, which is great. Aren't you a funny bunny? And then if you want to add the soap to it, which I do, then you're going to put that in here. Somehow. Oh, no, I think you have to add it to this. Instructions mainly just talk about the things that you can do with cleaning and maintenance and stuff. And then it's a foreign language. Charlie, he's okay with that. Okay, so this part of this,
No.
you can sit with the wrench. Can you make it open and can you make it close? Oh, you're gonna use it with your rock?
It's done.
You're gonna make it with your rock? I see.
It's done.
Alright, I guess this is to lock in there. Alright, so then for our soap part, we can put this in right here. Twist it, now it is equipped. And then we put, oh, that's why this is on here, because it has a different attachment. I think, maybe. Maybe not. I don't know what I'm doing. Can you guys tell? Unless I'm thoroughly distracted. At some point we will figure this out. If you're more interested, then maybe you should watch the TikTok guy. Alright, can't go back on. The instructions are terrible. I did see that in some of the reviews. Unless it's just not supposed to have. The rest of it's pretty soft. I mean, you can see it. So the spray lands. You don't need a little baby screwdriver though, because you can bump yourself with that. you don't need that baby screwdriver because you will hurt yourself with that baby screwdriver. Even if they had pictures of it with different stuff, they don't. They just have the exploded drawing and that's it. I don't know. I know this is for this part. This is for the water.
Hello.
This is to get it to work. But you would think that it would give you the capability to spray foam at the same time, but the receptacle that's in here is just a spray foamer. I think it's just for spray foaming. So I think we're at the point where we're going to test this thing, see what happens with it. Unless it's going to be for this. No, again, all these attachments are different. I have this guy to take it off of here. We're learning together. No, this is just a swivel head. And that nozzle is not going to come off. I think it's just for spray foam. That's it. That is a bicycle coming, not a motorcycle. The motorcycle makes a bunch of noise, Charlie. It goes vroom, vroom. And then this is an adapter to your sprayer.
Yeah.
And I think this is another extension. So it gives you a bunch of extensions.
Hey, come.
There's one extension.
Oh,
Two extensions. That is a very long extension. And then if you don't have this in here, you'd be able to put the third extension in. And then you can also switch it for the bristle brush. So you can bristle brush with this extension. You have an adapter for your hose for quick stick on there if you want it to. And then this is your filter, and then your filter will come off if you need it to. So you can use it with a traditional water source, like a hose or something if you want to, or you can just use it in a body of water, which is pretty smart. I really like this. So we're going to plug this in really quick. It's not charged. And we're going to do some setting action. I was going to do an unboxing video for the detergent, but it's like I'm not going to do that. And so instead we're going to put some of this Gold Class soap in here. Charlie, come here, bud. Charlie. I'm not filling this up. I'm only putting some water in. So we got about an inch here. And I'm going to stick this back on. Charlie is going to continue with his rock collection. Spin this guy on. Like I said, I hope this thing works well because no, this is for Mommy. Because unfortunately I'm outside of my return window, which is too busy. I bought it on a whim because I want my vehicles to be clean. And this is how it turned out. Alright, so I'm going to give it a test with its different little accessories and hopefully I'll be able to wash this car. So I'm going to pause you guys to get some water in a bucket. Alright, so I have a bucket of water here, which you guys can't really see, but it's just a bucket of water. And I'm going to stick this guy in and we're going to see how this works. stuff on the cars when I put something on the car. Now it is all wet because I've been wrangling children. Be mindful that your little hose guy can come out. Something I just thought about is an issue I encounter whenever I'm out here. This house is on a well, and so sometimes pressure has issues, and so when you're pressure washing, that's annoying. This bucket idea, this is priceless. This is awesome. Because then you don't have to worry about that water pressure issue. Alright, I'm going to take the soap off. The soap smells really good. Oh, and I don't feel like we need this big of an extension, but whatever, it's on here. I'm going to use this. We'll check and see what it's on. We'll try all the different settings. We're going to do spray first. See what spray's like. Okay, and it's very annoying having this many extensions when you don't need it. I'm going to take some of these extensions off. And surprisingly, I barely used any water. Alright, back to a normal extension. Oh, there's one more I could have done. Oh well, it's fine. Alright, so that was your spray. That was your 15 actually. This is your 25. Pretty decent. 40. Pretty decent. This is the actual shower. Like gardening. Up. Okay, that's going to be really convenient in the winter with salt. 0. Zero is not that powerful, but still don't just throw it on your car. And 15. So, that's all your settings. You guys like and subscribe. Have a fantastic day. I am going to unbox the rest of the stuff and continue washing this car. So I'll see you next time. Bye.